if you put the work into learning this, you do deserve it, because there's no industry like this. It's so easy, you can fail immediately. It's so hard, but yet you can win overnight. There's nothing like this business. So if you have put the time in, or are willing to put the time in, you're a new student, you're a new trader, you are a new hotshot on the block, your system rocks. Stick around, kid. Even if you're profitable, and something will happen. Either you'll go into a tailspin because you'll believe this internal dialogue that this can't go on forever and I don't deserve it. This can't be real. I should be out there swinging a hammer. I should be out there digging in the pits as a plumber. I should be out there doing things, getting dirty. I shouldn't deserve to live a lifestyle like this. Only you can change that thought process, and you need to do it today.
Yo! Good morning, everybody. Happy Halloween. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Friday. Happy Halloween. Happy last day of October. Happy last day of Uptober. Hope you guys are doing well. Good morning. Good morning. Sound off in the chat. Let me know where you guys are tuning in from. Hit the like button before we get rolling here, boys and girls. Good morning, Saul. Asfers, Kevin, Jamie, good morning. What's up? Juan47, Paris, good morning. Big Head Reef, Habibi, Jorno. Good morning, everybody. Hope you guys are doing well. We have market open in less than 1 minuto. So I suppose we might as well go ahead and dive into the charts. We don't have any news today. No news today. No news Friday, last day of the month. Obviously, it's spooky season officially, boys and girls. So, let's see what we get for today. I don't really have like super high expectations, if I'm being totally honest at the moment. Not super high expectations. Earnings came out obviously I guess at the end of the day yesterday. So yesterday, I almost said last night, but we got one more drive down here at the end of the day yesterday, and then earnings came out and we see price make this really fast drive higher back inside of the range. So in terms of like where we're at, let me just go let me go full screen on NASDAQ here. Looking at the daily, so here's our daily time frame. Here is our weekly. So it's kind of crazy. The new week opening gap just, I don't know. I mean, are we just going to leave that open, I guess, potentially? So that's something. And then the daily chart, obviously big rallies Monday, Tuesday, and then Wednesday, Thursday, now Friday. A lot just slowing way down here after FOMC. We did pull back into this daily inefficiency, obviously, in the Thursday or yesterday's daily candle. But where we go today, I mean, I fucking have no clue if I'm being totally honest with you. If I'm being totally honest with you guys, yesterday's daily candle took out the previous daily high and low. And do we get an inside day today on the Friday daily candle? I guess we'll see. I'm not gonna lie, I still like lower just because that new week opening gap is still left open. I like, you know, the idea of potentially if we go target anything, that we would target the previous daily low. At least at first glance, that's what I like. Looking at the daily chart, the 4 hour. Not really much to go off of here, if I'm being totally honest. We see that the current 4 hour candle has traded up above these previous 4 hour highs and is starting to flip bearish. So really just a question of if that holds or not. And then on the hourly, it's where you're kind of, you could find yourself in between two PD arrays. This hourly SIBI, bearish fair value gap here that the bodies are respecting. And then we have this bullish fair value gap here that could hold price up. So, you know, if we just kind of bounce between these two PD arrays, that's going to cause some pretty choppy action today. But I think if anything, just looking at the daily, like if I have to pick one direction, I feel like I'm choosing not a new all-time high today, but rather, if anything, maybe a previous day low. But I think it's, like I said, a high probability, in my opinion, that we could just stay as an inside day today and not really do shit. So we'll see. We'll see. We came up here in the pre-market, like I said, took out these highs, and now it looks like we're headed straight for these lows. At least that's what she looks like to me, boys and girls. Looking at the poll in the chat, 44% of the chat is bullish, 41% of the chat is bearish. 3 minutes into the market open here, 16% think the scariest chop we've ever seen. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see, man. 5. What do you think? I don't know. Should we go? Do we darken the charts at all for spooky season? Is the question. It feels non-festive to not have a, I don't know, a festive color scheme, I guess. But yeah, looking at the overnight sessions, here you go. For anybody that wants to see this, we have stacked low resistance lows here, London, Asia lows. And I'm just gonna mark out previous day low as that potential drop, because that's where my eyes would go if we're gonna see any sort of like expansion today. Previous day low. All right. Yeah, let's darken these up. Why not, huh? Maybe the dark charts was too much. Maybe we need just like a happy medium. Like a gray, maybe? Do like a little tint of gray, maybe? Yeah, that don't look too bad, huh? Now we're festive, boys. Now we're festive. See, just that little switch. Orange candles. Oh, it's kind of gross, but also kind of turns me on. Oh, that's fucked up. That's gross. Yeah. No, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. What did I have? I don't remember. Costume of the day. I don't know. I just threw a flannel on. I don't have a Halloween costume to throw on, boys. I should have thought ahead. I should have got like a little mask or something. So I guess I'll just throw a flannel on and I'll just go as like a fucking scarecrow. Or you know what I should have did? I should have like painted myself red, and I could have, people ask what I am for Halloween, I'll say I'm a stop loss. That'd be pretty fitting. That'd be pretty fitting, don't you think? You made me an overlay, Anthony. What? Son of a gun. Let me check. Did you custom animated Halloween name badge? Oh, dude, what the fuck? There's a small chance that this is totally gonna like put a virus on my computer. Anthony, this isn't gonna like put a virus on my computer, is it? It's not, I promise. All right, Anthony. Market makers and God are watching, so if you're lying. Market makers and God are watching here. Okay. Yeah, see that? Wait. Oops. Here's what Anthony's got cooking for me, boys and girls. Oh man, look at that. Look at that, boys. Hell yeah. Anthony, this is sick. What do I do with it? Where do I put it? I don't want it to cover up the Tradeify. Where do I put it? I also don't want it to cover up the clock, but I might have to. Yeah, that's sick. Look at that shit. Make it smaller. That is something no person has ever said to me ever. Make it smaller. Never once heard that in my life. Good job, Andy. This is sick. It's flickering. Yeah, I know. I think it's supposed to flicker. I think that's the point. It's too big? Yeah, that's something I've just never heard. Too big. The only time I've said it's too big is when I take a trade that loses. I'm like, oh, fuck, those contracts are too big. Hell yeah. You know what, Anthony? Just for that, I declare you a giveaway winner today. How about that? Anthony gets grandfathered in for a giveaway today. Trick or treat, baby. Trick or treat. Rigged. Yeah, hit the like button, boys and girls. Happy Halloween. Hope you guys are doing well. Trick or treat. We will be doing more giveaways today. It is basically the last day to... No, it's not the last day, but it's getting close to the last day to sign up for the Tradeify Grand Cup, boys and girls. So November 2nd on Sunday when market opens will be the official start. You can sign up all the way through until, I believe, the end of week 1. So it ain't like you can't get started a little bit late if you're late to the party, but might as well hit the ground running, I'm thinking, boys and girls. And then it's the last day for the 45% off the lightning funded 25K, 50K, and 100K lightning funded accounts with Tradeify. So that ends tonight, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then the other thing that's creeping up on us, boys and girls, is daylight savings time. We're going to be falling back an hour. All of our days are going to be getting dark at like fucking 5 p.m. going forward. And for anybody that doesn't live in sunny Florida or somewhere like that, you're going to be, in about 3 months' time, you're going to be in a seasonal depression because it's just going to be gray, cold, and all the above, right? So get ready for the winter villain arc, boys and girls. I don't know. Maybe after like the holidays, I should just up and impulsively move to Florida. What do you guys think? I can make my money disappear. That's impressive. Can I have a giveaway? Well, that's the thing, Lord Ducks, about us as traders is actually that's all of our best trick. You know, they say magicians never want to reveal their secrets, but as traders, I'm afraid that's that's a skill we all actually have. It's kind of funny you mention it. You don't know if you like the flicker? What, you gonna have an epilepsy seizure on me? I don't mind, dude. I don't mind it. I like it. I could just do this. You guys, if you guys need me to tell you what the time is, you might have bigger issues here. How's that? You guys like that better? Is that less distracting? Make it black on the chart. No, I already got. Listen, last time I did dark charts, I ended up 7 contracts minis deep on NQ, getting absolutely shit on. I'm suspicious at this point. Or not suspicious. Superstitious. I might not be superstitious, but I'm a little stitious, if you know what I'm saying. If you know what I am saying. So we are seeing price trade below London Asia lows into this hourly bullish fair value gap. So really kind of just depending on what we do from here, it's going to be a close of a 15-minute candle here shortly. What do you guys think? You guys like this bullish fair value gap to hold and push price back higher into the range? Or do you guys like the expansion to previous day low here? Basically, I'm asking, are you bullish or bearish? 15-minute candle just opened up. Kind of got some nice low resistance highs that generated here right before open as well. And then let me see. 930. I mean, our first presented fair value gap is a little guy. Just a little fella. Selling continuing here. Mersal, why you timed me out on FOMC day? I don't know. You probably said something about TGR or something. I told anyone who if anyone mentions TGR again, I'm putting them in timeout. So I put like 5 people in timeout. It's like a casino in here. No clocks. No clocks, and we're pumping oxygen. We're pumping oxygen. We're bringing you free drinks. It's time to party, baby. Done saying anything other than higher? Z trades. Don't let them beat it out of you. Don't let them beat the bearishness out of you. I know it's easy. All right, not easy. I know it's hard. I know that they got us in a chokehold, but never give up, never surrender. Never give up, never what? Never surrender. And new week opening gap draw. That'd be sick. I don't know if we're going to get it today, though, or not. Something, it's starting to kind of tell me, it's like, are we going to leave that gap open until next week? Are we going to leave that shit open? May look to stab longs here, guys, and go for this opening range. This opening range scalp here. Gonna give it a second. I wanted to see us inverse this. Macro starting here shortly. Nothing yet, nothing yet. Still holding this. Not again, bro. Too early. I'm not in it. What's up, TG? Happy Halloween, man. How's the Bahamas? Why did you buy? I did not buy, Mersal. I said if we got this inversion, I'll look to take the scalp back up to 930 open. I am not in this. I am not in this at the moment, chat. I'm not in this at the moment. P&L is flat. P&L is flat. Where is the clock / timer? The thing is, Mohammed, if you look at the bottom right of your trading view, you should have a clock. You could look at your phone. You could look at your computer screen. I'm sure you have a clock somewhere around you. And if all else fails, maybe, just maybe, sundial. Is your shadow, do you have a big shadow? Do you have a short shadow? There's definitely more ways to tell time, though. I'm almost positive. You want to see mine? Well, listen, we got the special Tyler Trades. Look at this. We got the special Tyler Trades flicker and sign, courtesy of Anthony in the chat. That looks way better than this stupid little green clock, ain't it? Come on. Don't you guys want to get in the holiday spirit? Spooky season, boys. Yeah, it might be midnight for all I fucking know right now. If there's no clock on Tyler's stream, I can't tell what the fucking time it is. Yeah, so no trade yet here, guys. Like I said, I thought if we see expansion, I like previous day low. But I think my first initial gut instinct is that we see more of an inside day than we see expansion. So if we inverse here, I'm going to try longs. I'll probably go stop below this recent low. And I'm just going to take it back to 930 opening price because I don't really even expect us to go back to this high, to be honest. But 930 open looks good. Really no manipulation at open, just straight down. Let's make this orange. Yeah. Looks ugly, I agree. Yeah, we're not doing anything really too pressing at the moment after taking out these lows. Here's the 15-minute. New hour in like 7 minutes. Most of the chat is still bullish today. Interesting. Gut is telling me inside day, but with how market volatility has been, anything can happen. That's always the truth, Kevin. That's always the truth. Anything can happen. We got Dow Jones ripping higher right now. Dow Jones is ripping higher. NQ, seemingly the weakest one of the three again. Might be no trade here. Another drive lower here. I mean, gold doesn't even look too hot, does it? I mean, gold looks like it kind of wants to maybe sell off for these lows. You know, we got one stab above internal highs here. Maybe we see gold make a run for like Asia low in this trendline liquidity. But even gold seems pretty range bound right now. Everything's taking a breather after frickin' just face melting rally all month. Yeah, a new hour in like 4 minutes. SMT at the lows. I'll take your word for it. Amazon's up 12%. Holy. Oh my god. Holy shit. It was Apple and Amazon earnings yesterday. Here's Apple. What the hell? Tesla's up 2. Did you guys see Nvidia announced this was earlier in the week, but I just forgot to mention it, but did you guys see Nvidia announced a partnership with Palantir this week? I think they went up like 6% after that announcement. Fuck, boys. Oh. Look at Meta. Oh my goodness. This is from yesterday. Huh. You know, it'd be crazy if this just like kind of fills in the new or the opening range gap. If we fill in this opening range gap and then we like don't see previous day low, that'll be something. That'll just make it hard because I feel like we're all going to be wanting to see previous day low if we get down here. And then if we didn't get it at that point, that'd suck. New hour in a minute and a half. Yeah, I saw the instead of October, it's up over. Get it? It's over, boys. It's all over. What are you guys looking for? I'm personally looking for I'm personally looking for my trick or treat basket. Somebody didn't get the memo. They confused Halloween with Easter, and they hid my they hid my Halloween treats. So I'm looking for them. See if we can find them or not. Paris says he's waiting for 766 and a quarter. Wait. I'm waiting. I'm going to wait for price to go to 25,766, and then it might long. It's a long fucking ways away. Paris, you're waiting for price to go there, but you're not going to short toward it? I'm confused. All right, guys. New hour just opened up here. ES back at its new week opening gap high. This little volume imbalance right here. Yeah, I just think that I think the inside day is slightly higher probability than expansion lower, but I'd be open to being wrong about that. Gonna change to trade gold. What's up with everybody? What's up with everybody switching from NQ to gold lately? We are SMTing these lows. Is this a long here? I don't like that we didn't take out the hourly low, to be honest. Aha. Inducement avoided. Oof. The drive lower here. Taking out previous hourly low. Just gonna mark out the opening range gap low. Yeah, I see the same thing, Anthony. Just hit discount of the range. What's up, Allie? Oh my. Thinking long if we change in the state of deliver here. You gotta change your name. Yeah, bro, that name's a fucking disaster, bro. I don't think I'm ever gonna be able to say that. I mean, Masinga. That's all I got. I'm still not in this. It's kind of a steep stop. It's like 40 plus points. I'll probably use micros. Yeah, it's like 42 points. So I got micros pulled up over here on my Ninja Trader, so I might just buy a bid here. I'll keep you guys updated. All right, micros 7. All right, I think we're good. We don't make the same mistake twice. Not in the same month, at least. Not in the same month. All right, guys. I'm going to buy a bid here on micros. Take a stab longs here. Going for 9:30 open. Here's the Ninja Trader. This is an old first presented for VAGAP. I just never deleted it. Your stop loss is my TP. You're literally what my last short was about. This is Asper's. Oh shit, how do I watch it? This is my impression of people who watch YouTube live streamers who are day trading anytime they put a trade on. Thanks for the liquidity. LOL. Dumbass. This is my impression of people who watch YouTube live streamers who are day trading anytime they put a trade on. Thanks for the liquidity. LOL. Dumbass. This is my impression of people who... Yeah, that's pretty accurate, right? Thanks for the liquidity, and my TP is your stop loss is basically the same thing. Choke the bishop before trading? Why would I do it before when I can do it during? When's the last time you've seen both of my hands on camera at the same time? Well, I guess we'll see. Moment of truth. I mean, if we lose this gap, it's probably cooked. Really not even going to trade back into a 5-minute gap? 15? Not good. Just inversed here. I'm torn between holding or closing early, but just like the way that this has been wicking, I don't want to close it and then it holds. Ugh. I think I might just accept the risk and see if I can get lucky on Halloween here. But yeah, I didn't want to see that. Remove the stop loss. Trick or treat. As soon as I remove my stop loss trying to long all-time highs, that's exactly when NASDAQ's going to pull a Amazon and drop 12%. Or, I'm sorry, fucking Meta and drop 12%. My bad. Amazon's up 12%. All right, Asfers. We'll see you next month. All right, pal? Enjoy the VIP room over the weekend. Happy Halloween. Do I remember last Halloween? I don't. Do you remember last Halloween, Allie? The VIP room is timeout, Deadpool. Asfers was spamming in the chat, so I put him in the VIP room. Well, I don't know. We're back above this 1 minute gap. Still slow. We'll let NASDAQ cook. Yeah, you guys, if you guys are taking longs, you guys could have gotten way better entries than I got. What's my risk? I don't even know. 7 micros on 49 point stop. $6.89. Purple and orange. Now that's an idea. Purple and orange. I'm assuming orange we go down. Purple we go up. Oh, isn't that this the most disgusting shit you've ever seen in your fucking life? Let's go. Let's run it. Purple and orange candles for Halloween. Come on, little Johnny. Who knows? Who knows if it goes straight to take profit though? Might have to stick with it for until Christmas. Christmas will do red and green, the old classic red and green candlesticks. Orange and black way better. Yeah, I know, but it's like I guess it's Halloween either way, whether you do black or purple, huh? I hate the orange candles, I'm not gonna lie. I hate them. They really suck. Bro, come on, man. What is this shit? Nice. Oh, gross. I love when my entry gets used as perfect resistance. Fucking perfect resistance. Perfect equal highs. Trick or treat. Fuck. Got slipped on my stop as well. Sweet. Lost an extra $40. Halloween sucks. All right. It's the candles. It was a good idea though. Was a good idea. Oh, what a terrible Oh, that's so gross. It's still October after all, isn't it? It's still October after all. Oh. Rezahi, I identify conditions as choppy and poor. So I feel like I need to take at least 3 more attempts. Man, I even waited for us to manipulate the previous hourly low, discount of the hourly range, and it's gonna manipulate one more fucking time just to fuck with me. Is that what's happening here? Oh. If you guys think I'm not going to revenge trade longs off of an inversion fair value gap, I'm sorry to tell you, but you're sadly mistaken. Because I will. Boy, will I fucking ever. I'll even do 8 micros instead of 7. I'm feeling dangerous. Feeling real dangerous. Listen, if listen, if all goes wrong, we still got the Grand Cup. If all goes wrong, at least we're gonna win the Grand Cup. So who fucking cares? Fuck it, make it a mini. Kev, I fucking love the cut of your jib. Kev's a guy that isn't gonna sell out to Israel. We love that. He's got a fair point. It's like 8 micros. Might as well fucking do a mini. Let's be honest. Let me just change my Ninja Trader here just in case I get fucking dizzy. Bro, I mean, so fucking patient though with this. And then... Wait. Yeah. Literally was so patient with this too. Still didn't matter. Everybody knows you don't wait for the first, the second, the third turtle soup. You wait for the 4th. I'm in long off the inversion. You know what I mean, boys? It isn't listen. It technically could be the 5th. Because this is also taking out sell side here. 1. I guess this would be 3. That's 2, 3, 4. So many fucking turtle soups. Holy shit. How about you soup my turtle? Markets like this just it literally makes my penis look like a turtle. Why? Because it just goes back into the shell. Instead of coming out like it's supposed to do, it goes back in. All right. So yeah, we're in with 1 mini. Still, I'm same target. I'm not really asking for too much here. Yeah, I'll just probably be done trade. We'll do the giveaways and I'm gonna go trick or treating as soon as this. If I get stopped out, I'm going trick or treating right away. Trust me, they're not gonna want to see me at their doorstep after hitting 2 stop losses in a row. They're not gonna trust me, bro. They're not gonna want to see me at their doorstep asking for candy. Trick or treating at 8 a.m. Oh. Where's my costume? Can't you tell I'm going as a stop loss this year? Bro, if we, I swear to God, if we don't even come for this 15-minute unfilled fair value gap, I'm going to lose my shit. Oh, it's a what? A trend line. Nobody scare it. No, please, nobody scare it. Oh, great. 30-minute gap tap. That's better. Yeah, I was thinking this. I was kind of thinking the same thing, Kev. I'm like, dude, do I just go 1-to-1 and call it? Like, first presented gap, maybe even? I don't know. It's so tough. It's so hard picking a target lately. Because it's just not, it's not like delivering very well. Maybe I'll just like trail aggressively at 1-to-1. I don't know, it's tough. My subconscious brain is just so used to like holding for more. I like force myself to take profit at 1-to-1. Yeah, I'm not break even yet. I was gonna go break even I was gonna go break even this 15-minute gap at 133. I'll be honest. I feel like my 1-to-1, like I would have no problem closing at a 1-to-1 if I didn't take that L here. I know that's bad to like trade your P&L that way, but that's honestly kind of my issue, to be honest. I'm like wanting to be greener. I'm greedy. I'm a greedy fuck. Toilet. Do I just go break even now? I probably should because I'm risking a lot, but anyway. Gonna trail stop up here to my entry. We literally came like a tick from where I was going break even, so close enough. 10:35 right now. There's the 15-minute gap, finally. All right, decision time. Do I want to be nimble and get out at 1R or a little over 1R at the first presented fair value gap? Or do I want to be a greedy bastard on Halloween and go for 9:30 open where we really have we didn't manipulate it all, where there's no wick. I'll never promote candle range theory because Romeo's a faggot. But for those using candle range theory, there you go. So how about this? I do my darndest. I'll do my best to try to trail after 1R. But if we can move seamlessly through, try to hold for a little bit extended target. If I close now, I can be green. Oh, not anymore. If I close right now, I could be green on the day. I'll, where's my, yeah, like right here. is kind of that level for me. So I'll trail stop. Once we hit 1R, I'll trail to there. So like if it pulls back, I get stopped at like break even for the day. It's like like 146, 147. We're hitting, is this new day opening gap we just tapped? Really a bummer I got stopped on that first long attempt. Of course I'm on. Rezahi, you're gay. Why are you gay? Who says I'm gay? You are gay. Did I put that? I think I put that on my deck. Did I not? Oh, I didn't put it on, bro. I thought I did. Anyway, I'll do that later. We're finding resistance at new day opening gap, boys. For the moment, we're about 50% roughly of the previous candle range as well. Does my mother know I'm gay? My mom's dead. Sorry. Sorry, did I just make it awkward? I just made it awkward, didn't I? I mean, it's the perfect rebuttal to your mama jokes, though. Well, what do you guys think, chat? Are we going to get break even stopped, or are we going to be delivered from evil? It would be kind of fitting, wouldn't it? Like another break even to end the month. Oddly enough, NQ looks the strongest now, to be honest. There's 1R. There's 1R, man. I'm giving it like no room here, but this is my basically break even for the day. Want to just see if we can get some expansion through here. Maybe get some extra meat off of the bone. Because I'm the greediest little boy you've ever seen. I love being a greedy, greedy little boy. How about this? Make you a deal. We'll do the gap right here. Right below midnight. Oh God, don't wick. Don't do it. Please don't do that. No. I'm out. I'm out. I got scared. We're holding first presented gap on the 1 minute chart. We'll see if it pays off for me, Cotton. Basically 1R secured. So I did it anyway. So dude, it just sucks I took that first fucking L, man. I was so fucking patient with the first entry. To take a loss, man, that could have been just a nice 1K win. I mean, it was anyway, but without the loss, it would have been fantastic. Watch this, though. All right, so it took a 1R profit, basically. A little over a 1R. Watch it be like the cleanest delivery now. When I don't take profit at 1R, it always retraces. Now that I took profit at 1R, watch this thing just do a God candle. I'll show you guys the luck of the Irish in real time. Yeah, I got scared. I really wanted to see us. Like in my mind, I'm like, I want to see us close above first presented gap and just stay strong above it to keep holding. And yeah, we wicked up above this minute high, closed bearish back at the low end of first presented gap. Said, give me my money, man. They hate us because they ain't us. They hate us because they ain't us. They hate us because they ain't us. Right, they hate us because they ain't us. They hate us because they ain't us. You and me, we not so different. Same, but different. L scared Tyler. I know, bro. What do you want me to do, bro? Like, all we can do, boys, is we can make decisions and we just live with the outcomes regardless. You can't deny, though, that it's been nothing but 1R deliveries all month. You cannot deny that during AM session. It's been that. So yeah. Oops. Yeah, man. We'll see if it wants to just keep rocking here. We are above first presented gap now, closing and respecting it. So if you guys are still holding, it'd just be so fitting. It would just be the most fitting way to end October. Finally takes a 1R, takes it off a 1R, just straight to frickin' full TP. Yeah. Holy shit. Blue 60, I did not say that. I did not say that people are not catching 3Rs. But on stream, I've been getting 1R break even stop. Like, for more pieces of candy, like if I went trick-or-treating and I counted up all the pieces of candy I got, whatever amount of candy that is, I would have gotten stopped at break even more times after a 1R trade this month than however many pieces of candy I would be getting. It's so disgusting. And P&L wise, I mean, P&L wise would be great today if I didn't take that first L. Should have waited for the fourth turtle soup. That's my bad. The fourth turtle soup is what I should have been waiting for. I guess silly me, I took the third one. Little goy scared to hold. All right, RB Trades. RB Trades, congrats, man. You won the giveaway, man. RB Trades, giveaway account winner. Nah, I'm just playing. I hope you win so I can say no. Hang on. Oh, it didn't work. um. Genuine question. How do you know the conditions were still good to trade in because we were chopping? How did you know that there was a real manipulation? OMNQ, I didn't know. I mean, let's be honest here. Let's look at the move here. Chop, 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 chop. I took one loss in this chop here. I initially longed this. Obviously, not expecting this to fail. And then we got ran out here. Bottom ticked our stop loss because how else do you want to get stopped out, right? And then we reattempted it here. But it's been choppy up until here. While we were chopping here, I didn't know if I was going to get stopped out again. But my overall like bias for the day was inside day. Like I genuinely think today's daily candle, I genuinely think doesn't do anything. I don't think we take out the previous day lower high. I think we stay inside day. So that's why I was leaning more towards I was leaning more towards this sorry. I was leaning more towards this kind of being the case. Obviously, we talked about at the beginning of the stream being in between two different hourly gaps. So I kind of felt like it was more likely that we would bounce around between these. We trade down, take out 9 a.m. low, rebalance to 50%, and then bombs away on longs. But but yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, as far as the target goes, I mean, I don't know. The target was hard. Obviously, that's why I closed. A couple ways you could look at it, right? You know, I guess if you were just gonna range this up. Maybe I should have ranged it up a little sooner. Or, you know what I mean? I should have ranged it up to see where 50% was. I kind of just eyeballed it, but I thought this was about 50%. So, but it really doesn't matter. We're pulling back now anyway. Macro is starting. 5-minute bullish gap here. Obviously, we're just in between PD rays is the only thing. So it's like pick your poison, I guess. But what do you guys think? Do you guys still like another drive higher? Do you guys think that we retrace after kind of rebalancing this? Let me know what you guys are leaning toward. I still kind of like one more drive higher, to be honest. But I'm not in anymore, so we'll see what happens. It's easy for me to say that when I'm not at anything. Real answer. That's a real answer from Tyler. Loads of other streamers would have act like they knew it would be buys when we were chopping. Correct. I mean, yeah, everything is trading is just trying to factor in all the possibilities and probabilities and then try to just be in the most probable position. And sometimes you get it wrong. It's all educated guesses at the end of the day. A 1R and 2R will hit more than 3R, 10R. Yes. Yep. Yeah, the thing that I like about Trader Kane the most is that he's a flat to flat trader. I told you guys at the beginning of the year that I wanted to be less of a partial taker and more of a flat to like entry to target. But it's been a hard habit for me to break just because I didn't really find consistency in my trading. Like partialing was such a big component of me like turning from like, I guess, turning the corner of profitability, I guess. Partialing was such a huge mental thing for me that helped a lot. So this has been a hard habit to break. I still like partialing. I still like paying myself and then like, you know, developing that muscle of like, can I hold for that longer move? But I do understand the math behind partialing and how that hurts your risk reward and how you still would make a lot of the times the same, if not more, by being fully out versus partialing. You know what I mean? Like if you leave a runner on like 10 to 20% of your position all the way for like the external high or something and it plays out, like even if you took the full position off like here, you still made the same dollar amount. You know what I mean? So I understand basic math. I know how it works. But yeah, this is why trading is such a unique, like everybody has their own things that make them, you know, have an easier or harder time managing positions, taking trades, whatever. And we're always kind of evolving, right? What might be a second nature thing right now could be a foreign concept in a year or two. You know what I mean? Like you're always evolving. So how to stay calm during a trade. Here's what I do to stay calm during a trade, Abdul Malik. What I do to stay calm during a trade is I freak out a little bit. I freak out, but I'm not freaking out with button pressing. I'm freaking out with like, oh God, oh fuck. So I'm venting. I'm venting while I'm on stream, but I'm also commentating as part of it. And I'm also looking at the 15. That wasn't real advice. That was just kind of me joking around. But actually what I do is I have the hourly and or 4-hour chart pulled up on my other monitor while I'm watching price. And I'm just constantly reminding myself if I'm in a trade that's in drawdown, I'm like, did I take the trade off of a higher time frame narrative? Or did I get sucked into the lower time frames? If I get sucked into the lower time frames, that's usually where I'm like, oh, I really feel bad about it. If I genuinely feel like I got a logical setup off of a higher time frame, I just trust it and I let the stop do its job for the most part. But I don't know, man. You're never gonna like not feel emotions. It's fucking literally impossible. We're all human beings. Money is the most like important thing pretty much in all of our lives. Like, yeah, you're going to feel emotional when you're trading. So it just gets easier with time, I think. I mean, we've all been there where you take a few stop losses and you're just like, you know, it's funny how the first trade you take on the day, you're like real picky, real patient because your P&L's flat. You're just like, all right, let's get one great trade and be done. But it's funny how after like 1 or 2 losses, you kind of just like, you know what? Fuck this. Fuck this, dude. I don't give stop loss. Who gives a shit? And you just start, you know what I mean? You just start kind of sending it. And it's like, as time goes on, you get a little bit closer to the numbness that comes with a stop loss being hit, but it never fully goes away. It still sucks. Does that kind of make sense? But that numbness that you feel by the third trade attempt becomes a little bit more of a normal state in the first trade attempt, but it's never gone completely, I don't think. Even if I'm risking like 3 micros, 2 micros, it could be the smallest amount of risk. I still don't want to lose a trade. I don't want to lose. So even if it's like, let me put it this way. If I took a 1 micro trade just to show an example on a stream, just to like teach someone something, and I closed it out red, it would fucking piss me off. Even if it was like $5, it would annoy me. That, bro, when I used to trade leverage crypto, I don't know if anybody in here has ever traded leverage crypto plays. At least when I did it, obviously this is all using like CFDs. The shittiest part about that was like the spread was insane. So, you know, you would enter a trade. Let's say your entry was like right here. But because you're in crypto, like your actual fill is like a way up here. Or way up here. Oh my, so you would just start off in the craziest drawdown the moment you entered the trade. That sucked. Yeah, if people ever ask me, like I have some friends and family that ask like about trading. Oh, should I get into trading? Can you teach me some stuff about trading? I'm just like, no, I can't. I don't want to. You're not gonna be happy with it. Trust me, it's going to piss you off. Like maybe you'll get to a point where it's like you figure it out and you're thanking me, but it's probably not likely for you. And I don't want to be the one responsible for telling you to get into trading. All right, guys. Well, should we do a giveaway? I mean, shit. Should we do the giveaway, you think, or what? Also, hang on. How do I do these duck races, dude? Maybe let's try a duck race out. I've never done this before. Let me see if I can figure it out. By myself. Everybody seems to fucking love the duck race. Is this it? I don't know, that's it. Guys, is this the right duck race? Or is there a better one? I feel like this isn't the right one. How many... Wheel of names... Edit list. Up to 100 names? That's not a lot. Not a lot of names. How are people putting these names in the list so fast? Bro, I don't think this is right. There's no way I'm about to enter... I'm not about to enter names manually, bro. That is not about to happen. Bro, I'll literally be here forever. OMNQ will send me email. Oh, OMNQ, don't send me an email. Drop it in the Discord though. if somebody actually has the link for like the actual duck race, go ahead and drop it in the Discord. I'll drop the link in the chat here. So it should populate. Hop in there. OMNQ, go ahead and drop it in the general chat. We'll see if it works. Don't drop any porn. For the love of God. Melda says, Gur, I cannot comment on live. My YouTube has problems. That's not good. Grr. Sad face. But yeah, guys, we'll do some more giveaways today, one way or the other, whether we do a duck race or not. I'd like to do a duck race. I could do maybe the Wheel of Names, but we just need I might need to make a little form for an easy way to I might need to make a little Google form here quick. Maybe that'll be the easiest way to go about adding the names. So bear with me, chat. Bear with me, chat. But giveaway, obviously, as we're leading up to the Tradeify Grand Cup, boys and girls. So if you are not in a team yet for the Tradeify Grand Cup, even if you are in someone else's team, here's what I want you to do. What I want you to do is I want you to betray that other individual, other team you might be a part of.
Connection lost.
See, I want you to lose your connection to that whatever other team you might be a part of. And I want you to come here to your Tradeify Grand Cup dashboard. And I want you to make sure it says Tyler and hit join team, okay? I want you to do that, okay? Because we're winning this shit. And for what it's worth, for the giveaways that we do throughout the course of the Grand Cup, let me just ask you guys are smart people. Like, you guys aren't stupid. Let me just ask you a question. Would you rather be in a smaller pool for giveaways, aka increasing your chances to win, or would you rather be in a team with thousands of people where your chances of winning are basically nothing? I mean, I don't know. You guys tell me. Maybe you want to be in that one for some reason. I don't know. We're traders. I thought you guys liked probabilities. If you don't like probabilities, then go ahead and do that, I guess. But if you like the smaller probabilities, hey, don't say I didn't tell you. Don't say I didn't tell you. But yeah, join Team Tyler, guys. That's going on. And then obviously, we'll be doing an extra giveaway as well for anybody that uses code Tyler during the Tyler or TT, whichever one you prefer, during the 45% off sale here that ends today for Lightning funded accounts. Send your screenshots in the screenshots tab, and we'll do an extra giveaway at the start of next month. So when the promotional period ends for that, for a Lightning funded account, boys and girls, so we'll do that. Let me go ahead and mock up a Google form here quick. Bear with me. We're gonna see if we can do this duck race. I kind of want to do it. I want to do this duck race. I want to see what all the hype's about. I still don't think I found the exact right duck race though. I don't think that's the one. Maybe it is though. Maybe it is. Is it? Man, I wish I could just reuse. I wish I could just reuse old giveaway forms. If I give away. Simple basic rules for the giveaway, guys. Must be subscribed to the channel. If you're not already, hit the subscribe button. Like the stream. Looking like it was a decent exit though on our trade, and we haven't expanded quickly to the target, so I'm actually feeling pretty good about that exit right now. And we'll delete this one. Here we go. Okay. All right, guys, form is created. Go ahead and drop your responses. Fill out the form. The duck race might only have 100 participants, boys. So the first 100 is might be what we have to go with here. But yeah, fill out the form there. Name, email, YouTube username, your favorite Halloween candy, boys and girls. Why not? Why not? And then we will we'll run the duck race or 2 or 3. So first 100 here. I don't know if we'll get 100 responses or not. Less than 300 people watching the live at the moment, so we'll see. We'll see. Everybody saw the price action today and said, going trick-or-treating instead, I think. Marble race? I don't know how to do the marble race either. I should probably figure that out. You guys seem to love it. Marble race. Marble race, marble race. Hell, we could do a duck race. We could do a duck race, marble race, spinning wheel. We could do it all today, boys. We could do it all. I don't know if this I don't know if this is the right one either, but God, I suck at this. Yeah, that's not right. What the hell? I just signed up for something. Oh, bitch. On Steam? Nope. All right, guys. Yeah, I don't know what I'll have to look into the marble race. Because I don't think I got this. Yeah. Yeah, no. Duck race, though. And the spinning wheel of names. We can do that. We actually do still have a... We actually have a wheel of names already. This one is an old wheel of names. And this is from a previous promotion that we did with people that had used code Tyler in a previous giveaway. Some of you guys are in this list. Some of you guys are in this list multiple times because every time you use the code was an entry. You guys want to run one here quick while we wait? A lot of you guys are in it. A lot of you guys are in it. I know Nika's in it. Otherwise, guys, keep filling out the form. Drop it one more time. We're at 66 responses, so the first 100. I just want to see if we get to 100 or not. If not, we'll run it here in a little bit. I'll say by like 10:15 my time, so 11:15. We'll run it. I do gotta get going like 10:30 though, my time. You guys got a couple more minutes. Let's run one giveaway here, boys. Good luck. Are you shitting me? Nika goes, I'm not that lucky. Nika, I didn't even have to rig it. I didn't even have to rig it. Man. Meant to be. All right, Nika, do you want a... I'm actually going to ask you. Nobody else is getting asked this question, but Nika, do you want a Lightning funded account or an eval? I don't know why I'm asking. I feel like I know the answer. It's 50K either way. But congratulations, Nika. Hell yeah. Let's fucking go. Remove. She's gone. She'll never win that giveaway again. That's crazy though. Well deserved though. Yeah, that's good. Nika's been grinding at these giveaways. So it's good to finally get her a dub. Good to finally get her a dub. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute, guys, for the Google form. We're gonna run the duck race. We got like 80 responses currently. So what we're gonna do, lightning funded. All right. So yeah, I'll get you a code for a lightning funded. Anthony, if you're still on here, I got a code for you as well. So we'll have 4 other giveaways here today. 4 other giveaways. Guess I don't know if we should do a I don't know if we should do a I don't know necessarily if we should do a duck race for all of them. But all right, let me grab the responses here. All right, if you didn't fill out the form, you're fucked. Game over. Let me hide the email so I don't dox no one. Anthony, I don't want you saying I'm, Anthony, I don't want you saying I'm doxing everyone's emails here. Anthony. I do want to say this though. Rezahi in the chat. I figured you guys should see his responses. His favorite Halloween candy is, oh, we got Tyler's Nuts. You. Thanks, Anthony. My uncle. Oh, ass crackers. My sister? Billy, what the fuck? Alrighty then. Yeah, let's do username, YouTube usernames. Unk. I mean, you guys are gonna have to claim the prize in the chat. If I don't see it, we're running it again. So this better work, bro. This better work for the duck race. Edit list. Okay, buddy. Let's fucking go. Hell yeah. All right, time. How do I set this? What do we want? We gotta go kind of quick here. Let's do like a 30-second. Let's do like a 30-second duck race. Numbers, names. Yeah, let's do names. All right, boys and girls. Good luck. Set. All right, who's ready? Who's ready for a little duck racing poo? Oh shit. Here we go. Ducks be quacking and shit. We got Mersal. God, that's loud. We got Mersal, the pink ducky, falling back. Chelsea taking the lead. Oh, Anwar Marak. We love our Indian brothers over here, and they're taking the lead. We got Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. How do I turn this down? This is loud. Robin! Robin! Oh! Remove winner in next race? Yeah, we'll race again. Robin, congratulations, Robin. If you are in the chat. All right, dude. How do I turn this off? turn it down like 50%. Turn that back on. Let's see if this works. Yeah, let's guys, let's get a little shuffle. Get a little shuffle. Congrats, Robin. Robin, if you can, either in the Discord, by the way, boys and girls, if you can, in the Discord, submit a ticket, Robin, if you're in there. That'll be probably the easiest way for me to get you a code. Just like post a little screenshot in there saying that, you know, of your YouTube or whatever. Or if it's easier, if you're not in the Discord, you can shoot me a DM on either Instagram or X. But I'll get you a code after. I'll get you a code after. All right, guys. Winner number 1. We got 3 more. 3 more. If you didn't enter, it's too late. It's too late. Sorry. We stalled as long as we could. All right, man. We got OMNQ. OMNQ leading the way here in the duck race. Never sent a link in the Discord that I saw, but OMNQ, I don't know, these early leads, sometimes someone likes to come at the very end. Oh my God, he's losing gas. He hit the nitrous too soon. We've got Mazuk pulling his best Vin Diesel impression here. There we go. Mazuk with the win. We got Robin. We got Mazuk. Remove winner and race again. All right, so how many we got? We got 2 more left to give away here. 2 more left. Good luck, everybody. Mazuk, Robin, our 2 winners so far. We got Nika with the win. We got Anthony getting a giveaway today. Fucking happy Halloween, boys and girls. Trick or treat. All right, here we go. We got, I can't read it, Plain Jap, Plainix Yap. They ain't gonna win this shit. We already know how this goes. It's always early lead. How you start is not how you finish. You don't want to be in the beginning of the pack right away, but it is fun to see your name out there leading the way. Anwar again, about to lose another one to Deadpool. Holy shit, boys and girls. Anwar has lost 2 now. Anwar had the lead. This is Anwar now. Anwar is just in shambles. Anwar is just losing it, dude. Anwar had the lead twice. He gave up 2 leads in the fucking final stretch. I can't believe it, Anwar.
Man, you are one pathetic loser.
Anwar, dude, that is just not good. Oh, that is just not going to cut it. Not going to cut it. Congratulations, Deadpool. Same goes to you. Discord, DM on Instagram or Twitter, whatever it's easier for you, man. Listen, we got options. We got options. That's the thing. All right, boys and girls, I believe this is the final one, right? Robin. I'm already forgetting who won. Robin, Deadpool, Mazuk. Wait. Anthony? Yeah. Nika? Yeah, we got 1 more. All right, guys, this is it. This is for all the marbles. I got to get going in like 10 minutes. All right. Why am I nervous? Good luck, everybody. Come on, baby! Mito, Flint, you ain't winning this shit. We already know. Come on. Nope. Ain't no way. Yeah, that's what I thought. Get back there. Yeah. Who's got it? Who's got it? PEJW? Coming in from the bottom?
Keep it up for me. See how the money comes in, the parade comes to town. Going down Broadway is a one-way street, whichever way I go.
Hell yeah. Well, shit, we got our winners, guys. PJW, Nika, Anthony, Robin, Mazuk. We got him, man. We got him. All right, you can shut up now. Stupid duck. Congrats, everybody, on the giveaway. A lot of giveaways, dude. Like 16 now this week, I think that'll be. Ended up being a fantastic, didn't necessarily top tick the exit, but fucking great exit, boys. Let's put the executions back on so you can see the fucking expertise here. Oh, nice. See, guys, listen, all these big RRs you guys are all bragging about, this is all you need right here. A little 1.1. Yeah. A little 1.1 R, you greedy little greedy bastards. Yeah. There we go. All right. Congrats, everybody. Hope you guys are green on the day. If you're not, better luck next week. I wouldn't be too big of a degen today. Probably not the day for it. Last day of the month. October is going to finally be over. Happy Halloween, everybody. Last final reminder, if you're not in the Tradeify Grand Cup, join Team Tyler. If you are in the Tradeify Grand Cup already, still join Team Tyler. It doesn't matter. And then obviously, guys, last day for the 45% off Lightning funded accounts. We'll do more giveaways with people that use my code during this time inside the Discord. So if you guys use my code, put a little screenshot in there like this. TT or Tyler both work, and then we will run a giveaway next week with those people in here. All right, guys. Sound good to you? Sounds good to me. Enjoy your Friday. Enjoy your weekend, everybody. Be safe. Appreciate you guys. Hit the like button on your way out. Congrats to the giveaway winners, and I will see you, beautiful ladies and gentlemen, back here next week. Peace and love, everybody.
Wake up early, coffee to my lips. Tyler Trade streaming, giving us tips. The NASDAQ hustle riding up high. John's on my playground, never asking why. ICT moves, smart money flows. Precision like an arrow, yeah, that's how it goes. Stop loss is shaking, but I hold my ground. Payouts stacking while the beats pound. Tyler trades, yeah, he's calling the plays. Future's bright while the market sways. Into running, we don't delay. Stack those wins every single day. Trade lots now, time to break the mold. Risk to reward, pure liquid gold. Liquidity grabs, making it rain. I'm in sync with Tyler, bringing the gain. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age. Tyler trades, yeah, he's calling the plays. Future's bright while the market sways. If you run it, we don't delay. Stack those wins every single day. Trader age every single day. Trendline snap, time to break the mold. Risk to reward, pure liquid gold. Liquidity grabs, making it rain. I'm in sync with Tyler, bringing the gain. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age.